Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and some reviews and, just this and that. Today I have Louise, and I'm super excited. Look at the size of this box. It is huge. So it cost me, like 56, I think, to get this, and I think a lot of that is shipping. I get Chick also, and it's kind of it's the same price range. So I have really been enjoying the P. Louise stuff. Okay, and so it says on here, go shawty, it's your birthday. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. I'm a little upset because the box is a little messed up, but that just probably happened. I mean, yeah, I'm right here. You can tell it's either been sitting somewhere for a long time or, it happened in transit. Okay, so let's unbox this beauty. Okay, I don't know where to start. Okay. Ooh, so we have the Bad Bitch Energy. What the fudge? Oh man, I've got to open it. Cause chocolate is my thing. I love, like, last month I think I got okay, this is not, there we go. I didn't get, I don't think that it was this, but it was chocolate, like, lip gloss, and I have used it every day. Why can't I get this open? Okay. I'm just gonna rip into it. Heck with it. I've got a few of these already, so it's not like the box just kind of sits back here. Okay, so yes, protect your pout, go fudge yourself, and P. Louise, stay shining. Love her packaging. It is the cutest. Okay, so this is the same thing. I can't remember. I don't know if it's the same. Okay. Yeah, like, I'm pretty sure this is the same thing. If it is, I'm going to leave this and give it to somebody. Oh, no, it's not the same thing. Oh, wait, yes, it is. Yeah, so I'm going to just put that back in there and put that probably in the giveaway box. Okay, so, all right. Now, next we have, ooh, Shake Off 2022 Badass Babes Brew. Yes, is that what it says? Where do the scissors go? All right. So I know that she has, like, I've got bath or shower. Oh, it's a foam. Okay, so it's a cleanser. I guess it's a face cleanser. Protect your peace. Let's go off the past. What? Oh, let go of the past. Cleanse your soul. So it's a face cleanser. So that's cool. Yay. Okay, so I guess this is last but not least. That this is big. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. So Wonderful World. Okay, a world full of wonder. Not Wonderful World. Okay. I see a world full of wonder when I open up my eyes. An inexplicable experience full of curiosity and surprise. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, wow. Okay, I gotta get it to where, all right, you see it? Without the glare. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so how do I open it? I don't want to mess it up. Oh, wow. Okay, so I love the little genie lamp. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Woo-wee! Look at those purples. Wow. Oh, nope. No, 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 no. Don't pull out of there. So, wow. That's, look at those purples and blues. Okay. Wow. Okay. So, more purple. That's a lot of purple. Ooh. I love that. Those. Oh my gosh. When you open it, it lights up. Oh my gosh. No, I might have to turn off my light. Do you see it? Look at that. Like it changes color. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love this stuff so much. P. Louise is just my absolute favorite. Like, absolute favorite right now. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. Like, I can't be mad because like I don't like purple. I don't do purple. But I might. This is gonna turn me into, and look at that beautiful mirror. Oh my gosh. Like now I have a new mirror that I can I'm trying not to get that darn, I have to have the light, but it kind of gets in the way sometimes. Because you just can't see how, maybe any other time it would just turn off on me. There we go. Okay. So there. You see it? You see how cool? And now you can really see it's kind of reflecting in itself. Look at that. Is that not just cool AF? I'm loving it. Okay, so let's watch a few of these colors because they are just too good. I mean, she's going to turn me into a purple person. I love the really dark. Oh, and I love gifted, miraculous, night sky, experience, splendid, my command, set free, mystical, take it all in, moonlight, picturesque, life-changing. Let's look at life-changing. I still have Ipsy colors on me. Doggone it. Okay. Oh, and they're just so, like, her colors are just so pigmented. Wow, look at that. All right. Let's do the My Command. There's a little genie in there. I almost hate to mess with it because it's just so cool. Okay, this is Night Sky. I mean, you can just, it's so buttery, like, and that's not something I usually say for eyeshadows, that they're buttery. Now let's do a dark color to, oh, look at that. Wow. I'm going to have to, like, get with my inner purple self. And, I mean, they're just so pretty. They're so pretty. And I just love the light. It is a world full of wonder. Is this like a movie? I'm trying to figure out, is this a movie? Oh, what movie is it that I'm thinking that amazed, curiosity, admiration, remarkable, astonishment, fantasize, bucket list, exploration, I believe, genie, charmed, enchanted, the world I see, Oh, wow. Fascination. Oh, let's look at fascination. Okay. Oh, wow. So, um, okay, so let's look at this light pink. That's a very bubblegum pink, which that's not. So let's do one of the colors that I will probably most definitely get into, and that is this. I'm really starting to like these colors, like the maroons, mauve, not mauve. Um, well, but no, maybe, yeah, mauve. Mauve is right. Okay, let's look at Amazed. This is Amazed. Just beautiful colors. Okay, so yeah, like I thought that I had, like, she'll put out little spoilers and stuff of what's going to be in what is called the budget box, and uh I I knew that it was going to be either this one, but you know, you see it, and but whenever you get it, like it's just so cool. Like it's so much more than what you see online. Like you see them and you're like, wow, that looks really cool, but you get them and gosh, it's just it's really really cool. So let me see. So yeah, like if I lived in the UK, I would get this for $29.91. But shipping is $10.20. So I paid $40.21 for that. Chick is like 49 now. Um, Explain that to me. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love Chick like I do, but yeah. So right now, P. Louise is my absolute number one favorite box. She blows it away, and then Lorella is going to be a very close second. Um, and that's just because there's just so many different things that you get. I'm waiting on that one. That one I think will be here like Monday. Um, so yeah, I guess that's all for the P. Louise. That was a lot of fun. So you guys like, subscribe, comment, um, and make sure, like, we're at 89. Let's get to 100, and we'll do a giveaway, and I'll get it out on Wednesday. And that's what, you know, like if we make it to 100 by Wednesday, then I'm going to put something in the mail for somebody. So, y'all have a good one. I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.